With optOn, on-demand coverage for rideshare drivers is just a tap away. From the welcome screen, tap Get Covered to view your coverage options. optOn lets you choose a micro policy that includes coverage for you, your vehicle, and others. Policy rates, or how much you pay per mile, are based on your current location, time of day, and more. This means that you always get the right rate for you. When you purchase your micro policy, your rate is locked in for up to 4 hours of continuous coverage. This way, you'll never pay a higher rate while you drive during this time. Just like that, you're covered. Now, you can switch to your rideshare driver app and go. optOn works in the background to keep you properly covered. Once you drop off your last customer or complete your last trip, all you have to do is end your coverage in the optOn app. If you plan to drive longer than 4 hours, optOn will automatically remind you to renew your coverage as you near the end of your micro policy. Just make sure to allow optOn to send you push notifications if you haven't done so already. With optOn, you don't have to worry. If you're in an accident, our expert support team will get you back on the road and back to everyday life with speed and ease. optOn, better insurance for rideshare drivers on demand.